This is our new location. The place is so beautiful, check this out. We got a room here. I think Noah's gonna sleep here. We got the bath right to the room, right next to the room. And you can see here, bathtub. And here, toilet. Wow. Just the basic things, but very nice designed. And also on this side, you have the things like, we even have our own washing machine. Crazy. A toilet, a shower, another mirror. Mirror gang. And yeah, another room. This place is...
You got us a welcome present.
Welcome present. Wine. Nice bottle of wine. And the most important thing of this room is the view. Now it doesn't look as spectacular as it does when there's a sunset, because the whole room is called
Sunrise Rent Rooms.
Sunrise Rent Rooms. And obviously that is because the sunrise in this location looks absolutely stunning.
Yes?
Check out this picture. I took that picture on Navajo Beach. Look at it.
What do you think about it? Comment in the comment section. To the camera.
If nautical nonsense be something you wish.
Oh my fucking god. First reaction?
I can't find words for this.
We haven't even seen it fully. Look at the color of the water. This is surreal.
So, what do you want to tell me, T-Boy?
I'm just covering my daily doses of memes. Today we moved into our new flat. We went to Laganas again to search some new girls because the other girls cancelled on us, and we found 2 girls, and the irony is they're from Switzerland as well, and they were even in the same airplane as we were when we came here to Zakynthos. So that's a little bit of a coincidence. Yes, what else did we do today?
So, first of all, check the view out. What a stunning view. Yeah, I use that word a lot since I've been here in Zakynthos, because I can't find no other words. It's just amazing here. Where did we go as well in the morning? It smelled like poo.
We finally been to Xigia Beach. Xigia Beach, I guess it's called. It smells... No, first of all, it looks great. There's some caves, the water is blue, amazing. All the stuff, amazing. Took some drone shots, as usual. And but the thing is, it stunk like, honestly, it stunk like rotten eggs.
Yeah, rotten eggs is the fitting word for this, I guess. Yeah, we watched the final. Yeah, France won. Thumbs up for that. Yeah, now we're going to eat dinner.
And there it is.
There it is. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Cool.
Stop it. Get some help.
What are we doing? Tell me about it.
We're waiting for 2 girls to come with us to a nice mansion.
Nice mansion. This is our car, if you never seen it before. We're now at the location where we shoot the video. Noah is just taking the shots. And there is number 2 waiting. Dude!
That's an amazing place here.
To say the
A
least.
lovely little house here. I'll tell you.
What do you think about the place?
It's really nice.
Really nice.
It's huge.
It's huge.
It looks really expensive.
It does. Look at this place.
Just wanted to give a quick thank to Barbara. This is Barbara. Say hi to the camera.
Hi!
She made it possible that we can come here and film. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you.
We really appreciated the opportunity, and we hope to make a good video for you.
Yes, it will be. It will be nice, I'm sure.
Because we also said that we were going to do some property shooting for her own use. You know?
By the way, have you seen this? Simply amazing, guys. Simply amazing. And what would you?
With the lemon juice.
Right, we got this inside.
Okay, thank you. Okay. What would you recommend? Because we go eating after that. Typical Greek food.
Typical Greek food.
I always have.
Let me go.
I like that one. Okay, this is also nice.
Discovering something brand new. I'm in love with you.